Walk into an iconic art exhibition in the heart of Delhi. The strokes and stories here are invaluable. An art exhibition like no other. This is the fourth edition of Iconic Masterpieces of Indian Modern Art, on display at Delhi Art Gallery in Janpath, featuring some of the rarest artworks created over a period of 200 years.
So we picked the very, very best of the artists. It has to be a very high, it has to be a work from a very desired period. It has to be a very high quality work, and it has to be a rare work. So it's a combination of many things. So each time you look at, so many people who come and see the exhibition, people haven't seen many works of many of these artists exhibited here. So whether it is the Bakre that you see here, or you see Nasreen Mohammadi here, so many works are extremely, extremely rare, and that is the reason we call it iconic. Iconic as a term is used very loosely by people. But here, when you see the iconic works here, they actually mean iconic. They're actually iconic. So we do a lot of research before we choose a work for this show. So it's not randomly put together.
The striking artwork captures the hearts of visitors. Eminent scholars, historians, and collectors have contributed essays on these works.
India is a unique country where the folk, tribal, classical, and contemporary arts are working. But the traditional artists spend more time and energy and concentration in their work than contemporary artists. Traditional folk, tribal, classical artists spend a lot of time in study, working. They didn't explain their painting. Today, a lot of contemporary, this is a Western concept to explain your painting to the guests, to the viewers.
The works that I have never seen are here. Some of the works, like the one of Swaminathan, I have written about. But a large number of works of Rameshwar Bruta, Prabhakar Barve, Shanti Dave, which I had not seen before. So it's a matter of joy for me to see these works, which are called iconic.
This exhibition, featuring 40 artworks including well-known and lesser-known artists, is on display till January 30th.
I want to take, as my daughter used to say when she was little, and I took her to a shop to say, "What do you want, darling?" She would look around and look very distressed and say, I want everything. So the Jahangir Sabawala is beautiful, the Rameshwar Brutas are stunning, the Majumdars. I mean, it's a very hard thing to say, what is your favorite? There's no favorite. I think coming here is really about enjoying each work and spending a little bit of time seeing how you connect with it.
This is the Ganga Ghat from the eyes of Edwin Lord Rees. Well, you'll find many such more appealing art pieces here at DAG's iconic masterpieces of Indian modern art. So don't miss it if you're in Delhi. For all the art lovers to fill their empty mind's canvas, you need to come here to fill it with these iconic masterpieces. This is me, Aditi Bhardwaj, for NDTV.